So that's flavor or color?
This is going to be color.
Color, okay.
Oh, $22.75 for the 12 piece.
Okay. Can I get a 12 piece?
Yeah.
Looks nice and red
Yeah,
already.
you can pick. These ones are dark chocolate on this side and milk chocolate on that side.
Okay, so
Okay.
from here,
From the post. Over is dark chocolate.
can I get a peppermint?
Yeah.
They have a fruit inside or no?
No, it's an apple pie rum. So it's rum, but it tastes like apple pie. Amaretto is almond. Amaretto is Vermonese and orange.
Guys, you make me candy pie.
Yeah.
Take a jar.
Is that pretty cool?
I already did one.
No,
Okay.
They want to see too, so just move
Okay.
more dark and then
Sorry.
there's milk.
Corner colors?
I will get the
Vermonese.
No, we're not getting one. We're just looking.
and for here, I'll get the peanut butter and hazelnut.
Yeah, about maybe 20 minutes, half an hour, well, less than. You start pulling the get free ones. You
Yeah?
just got to be at the right time.
Yes.
Oh, I don't think we'll be around for that. But that's
Oh, the chicken fiddle? Yeah, I get two of those. Yeah.
Could you smell the peppermint? Huh?
You should be able to smell it, no?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Could sure smell the peppermint here.
This one's
keep watching.
actually
Okay, let's keep watching.
they snuck over here. We usually put them in milk, but.
I can taste it actually.
If you had a cold, you don't anymore.
That's me.
Why? Oh, because he has to touch it.
Yeah, very hot, really hot.
Yeah.
Burn yourself.
They take too long. There's a photo.
So you got some insulated gloves on there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I watched a video of a guy, it was like a 25 kilogram, so it's about this by this.
Yeah.
And he's got his hook, and he's about 6 feet away, and he's got bare hands.
Really?
That is coming up, I don't, like it must have been calloused, or I'm not sure.
I guess if you do it for 30 years, maybe you get used to it.
Are you from Holland?
No, Swiss originally.
Oh, okay.
Close.
So I'm going to stretch this a little bit, and I've added some white coloring, because I want the candy canes to have a good stripe of white in there. And then I got a little bit of red, and I got some green.
You know what it reminds me of? There, when you pick that up, kind of glass blowing, almost liquid glass a little bit.
Okay. I kind of wanted. Thank you. But this one is it.
Sorry, dude, you're just the heavy one. There we go.
I could take this to the hook, but it's so small right now, I'm not going to worry about it.
Yeah.
It's the same process. So what I'm doing now is going to add a little air to this, and then I'm going to change the color a little bit.
He's changing the color, guys.
So it's still red, but now it's just a little bit different.
It's light right now.
And then I'm going to take this and I'll put it over here. And this table's hot.
Yeah, buddy.
And what does the air do to it?
Pardon me, sorry?
The air you work in, what does that do to it? Make it more fluffy, or
I'm sorry.
the air you mix in?
The
When
air?
Yeah, when you.
It just, it doesn't really, it just, again, I don't know how to say it technically. Instead of a nice solid transparent red, now you can't see.
He's gonna be making.
Okay.
It changes the texture just a little bit enough where it just changes things. Like if I want to make a candy with like a smiley face, I'll leave
It was alright. We
the
lost
smiley
the
Yeah.
without
stick
pulling
cap,
it.
so I think
No,
he's
the
gonna
sun
get
can
one
go
of the
through
big
there.
ones.
Oh,
The big
okay.
ones can share one.
Interesting.
How long have you been doing this?
2016.
It's kind of like feels like the New Year's thing here. I like it a lot. Yeah,
This is done as well. So.
yeah, it's good. Lots of kids everywhere.
The big guy, he just it's
Pardon
so
me?
much bigger. It takes a little bit longer.
Oh,
Yeah.
everybody's always having fires.
Keep it cool. I think one day I'll have a whole marble top and that'll roll around
Yeah.
a little bit quicker. Some of the larger people they'll use a table that has water running underneath.
Okay.
Cool. That's if you're doing 25 kilogram batches. This is
Yeah.
What's this? This is 4 kilograms.
Okay.
Mixing some chocolate.
Look, well, that back there, that's a chocolate mixture.
There's a chocolate.
Super hot.
Can tell.
Your hands cramping yet?
Oh, thank you.
I give you guys some of this stuff, but it's so sharp. I'm gonna come over here. See how green it is.
Yeah. Pretty dark green, yeah.
So I've got, like, that's no good for me, so I'm just gonna roll this in on itself.
What's the chocolate? I go watch it.
Yeah, stay right here, guys. Sorry?
Why this? Why that?
Oh,
great, great.
Yeah, it's the best age.
How big is it? How big is it?
I don't know. You can make it as big as you want it. It keeps it moving and it keeps it warm. So it stays up.
If I like two people, I'd probably keep it on the wall and just keep rolling it, but
Yeah.
easier.
So you only have so much time as well before it gets too hot,
Yeah.
huh?
what'll happen is it'll definitely harden on the inside.
Yeah.
So again, I got heat coming in from underneath, and I got the hot wires on top. And if worse comes to worse, I'll take this and I'll wrap it. And I'll wrap it.
Okay.
Eating all this good stuff all the time.
So you do it for many years, and then you put on 20 pounds, you feel your boobs jiggling when you're walking down the street, and then you go, okay, I gotta quit.
Oh, yep, that's it, eh?
Gotta do something here, huh?
I don't eat candy every day. I still eat chocolate every day, especially when I'm making. I gotta try stuff, but you know, one piece, not 5.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be rough. That'd be
It is rough. It is rough. Because at my age, getting weight off is not like when I was 20. So it takes
Yeah. Tell us about that, yeah.
Alright, so then I got a little bit of water.
Okay.
Just text him or send him a message. Yeah, just send him a text. Or email.
So the water is just so it sticks better to it.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Just to light a fire. Yeah, get it up and get it running. But yeah, okay, so that's what we say. Yeah, I think we'll do, I think I'll do. Yeah, it's all here. Yes. Oh, yeah. Your name is Samantha. Very, very much. What's your name? Cindy. I'll let you know. Okay, thank you. Thanks.
Do you enjoy it?
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
Looks like you do. I would enjoy that.
When I first started, I was a candy store, and this is what I did all the time. Was this, and then I had to sell other people's chocolate and stuff, and that was not my thing. But chocolate sold better, so I was just like, that's how I turned into a chocolate store as well. How life takes you down different roads is kind of interesting. But this is fun. This is relaxing.
It's art.
Yeah, totally. So what I'm doing here, I just want to make sure these seams are in tight, because if they're not, they will start to spread when I'm making them. I'm just going to squish it up a bit.
Does your wife do it sometimes too?
Girlfriend. Yeah.
Okay, I see what's happening now.
Yeah, sure, if you want. She was just curious if you do this.
You can just say, yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Aren't I so lucky? Pancake, yeah?
Yeah. It's gonna be a weird one. Yeah, we'll just make more of it. Still warm, yeah. Give them experience.
Now, if you're by yourself,
Yeah.
at which point you have to start bending them before they get too hard, and you still.
Within 5 seconds. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you would constantly swap back and
Yeah,
forth.
what I would do is I would probably cut 2, turn this onto a new flat triangle.
Yeah.
Run over there, and then stuff, yeah.
Okay. So basically, this is the finished product, and you just let it harden, and that's
Yep,
it.
That's right. And then if I wanted, I've got this machine. So then I can run it through here. I know I've got drop candy.
Oh yeah.
So then if we let that cool,
And then you can just break it in pieces.
Yeah, she'll show you in 2 seconds her favorite thing ever.
could have taken a bite out of mine.
No, stop. It's so good.
I can see that being a bit tiring on the hands till you get used to it. For all the
This part's okay. It's not that part.
that part is
Like you're burning.
yeah.
I mean, I could do them here.
Just a minute.
This is unlike any
Door ones. First time you see this made by hand like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Nice.
never seen that before.
Cool.
It's like a big animal.
Some kind of fish.
That sees one.
There's fresh ones up top here.
So then the heating mat keeps it warm enough so you can work through the whole batch.
Yeah. I mean, when I get down to here, that's going to be a bit of an issue. What I might do is just at the end of the night, just like I said, cover it up.
Yeah.
And then just let it flatten. And then I'll run it through here. Try to
Oh, do you like it?
Yeah.
You want them off right now? Yeah. Okay.
just change the size from half inch down to 3.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, exactly. There'll have a machine that has 2 bands that go over it that'll add the twist to it as opposed to doing it by hand.
Oh, don't do that because you're going to contaminate the work area. So you don't want tinsel in the candy cane.
So I see you also have chocolate fountains and something back there. So you make chocolate up front here as well?
So it's got a little cold.
Yeah.
That means I gotta hurry up.
Yeah.
Ah, you made it.
How are you?
Candy canes are up here.
Well, thanks a lot for the demonstration.
Check it out. You look excellent.
I like
I am.
so warm.